this video is going to give you a walkthrough of getting started with Wevideo. So this is my dashboard or start screen, and you'll notice I have 4 quick links here. If I know what type of project I want to complete, I can go ahead and click on one of these and it will take me to a project. If I need some inspiration to get started and a little bit of guidance, I might choose one of these templates and I can build around it. My recommendation would be to work out of projects. So if I head to projects, these are groups or folders of videos that I can organize together. So for most teachers, we're going to be using Wevideo for instructional videos or videos for certain classes. So you'll notice I have a project for all of my US history videos. So if I want to complete a new folder or a new project, I'm going to click on the plus sign. I'm going to give that project a title, and then I can decide what type of project it's going to be. So if I'm just going to be working on it alone, I can do this, but I can also do collaborative work in Wevideo. So if I click next, if I want to work on this project or this video with other teachers, if those teachers have a Wevideo account themselves, I can invite them by email to start editing with me. Or if I'm not sure, I can just send them a link to Wevideo and they can start editing once they create an account. Keep in mind, Wevideo is not like Google as of yet, so the editing process has to be done at different times. You can't be in it at the exact same time editing yet. Wevideo is working on real-time collaboration coming up hopefully soon. But for right now, I'm going to show you how to do that personal edit for just for me. And what this does is it's completing a project folder for my algebra class, and now I'm going to create a video within that project. So I'm going to just do a blank edit and start editing. So this will take me to my editing screen, and I'm in my My Media folder. So all of these are different videos and screenshots that I have taken that I could potentially add to my project. I can also view what's going on and test out my edits in my preview screen. And down here are my editing tracks. Now, Wevideo works as a layering effect, so I'll show you how that works, but you have audio track at the bottom, and then you can add as many video tracks as you need in your editing track here. So for most teachers, how you're going to be using Wevideo is for editing or creating your instructional videos. So I'm going to walk you through the process of working on something like that. So remember, one of my options is to use that import button to import outside videos I've created in order to edit into Wevideo. So if that happens and I import my video lesson, I can drag that into one of my video tracks and then use my features in Wevideo to edit this video. I mentioned before that another option for you is to record your screen and webcam right in Wevideo. What happens there is that your video will populate above your video screen option. So what you can do is double click on your video. You can move and resize that if you use this feature here. You can resize your video to be as big or small as you want, and you can drag that to be wherever it needs to be on your screen. So that way you've got a nice little video and screen recording going at the exact same time. Let's say I made an error midway through the video, or I had some dead air or I was thinking about things. What I can do is select by using the control button both of those video clips. I can use the scissors to cut those 2 clips, drag my blue bar to be where it needs to go and where the cut needs to end. And then what I can do is, again, use my control feature to select those 2 clips, delete them all together, and then drag those to be one nice long edited clip. I can also use text and audio to spice up my videos a little bit in Wevideo. So what I can do is click on the text option, and I have a bunch of text that is motion or stagnant that I can either add to the beginning or layer on top. So if I want a title screen, I can drag this to be at the very start of my video. And if I double click on that and click on the word bubble, I can customize what this text says for my students. So algebra lesson, date, so on and so forth. It can be whatever you want it to be. You can change the colors, font, so on and so forth. When I click save, now my title is special for me. If I want to add audio, I can click on my audio tab, and these are some stock music that I can choose to layer in my video. So I'm going to choose this. I can drag that to be over the entire video, or I can cut it like I did my video clips using the scissors, and I can delete any audio that I don't need. So now if I play this, my title screen will have audio that goes along with it. Okay? Let's say I've edited my lesson, I like how it's going, but I need to put some text on top. So I need to add a new layer to my track. So I'm gonna add a new video layer. So now I can layer some text on top of my lesson. So I'm gonna click text again, and I'm gonna choose some text. I'm gonna double click on it, change it to what I want it to be. Remember, blah, blah, blah. And then just like my video, I can move that to be wherever I want it to be on my video. And that's gonna layer on top. So when I play it, here at PR, and today I just wanna share a quick overview of what, okay? So that's how the layering works. You can edit as much as you need to. And then keep in mind that if I delete any clips here in my editing track, that's still going to be available to me in my My Media. It doesn't go away from Wevideo. It's just out of my current project. If I made that mistake and I wanted to kind of bring that back, I can always drag and bring back whatever I've deleted as well. One other option or way that you might choose to use Wevideo is to highlight student work, to use images as kind of a montage. So if I have some files here that I've imported of images or work from students, I can do the same thing where I drag those images into my editing tracks. I'm going to kind of piece those together to be what I need them to be. So I've got 3 different images. I can add transitions between those images to kind of add some spice and style. And then I can also add audio to go behind those clips to add some inspiration. So that has to go in my audio track, and I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So I've got images, and it's kind of more of a video montage. It's kind of more of a picture montage than that of an instructional video, but still really nice and engaging for students to look at. Once you're finished with your project, you're going to make sure that you give this project a title. Okay. Save it, and then you can also save it here as you go. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to finish this. And my suggestion would be to make it HD. I would make it public so that way you could choose to share the Wevideo link, and you can choose where you want that export to go. Once I'm done, I'm going to export it, and it's going to give me some options for downloading or saving or sharing that final Wevideo link. So good luck to you. Take it slow, try it out, and see how it goes.